Good morning, children. How are you doing? I hope you are doing good. Yes, welcome to the online class of grade 2 EVS. Okay, in the previous class we discussed about block 2, amazing animals. From that we discussed about wild animals, domestic animals, farm animals and pet animals, right? So today we are going to discuss about the food habits of animals or food animals eat. Okay, so before going to our session, I have to check your previous knowledge. Okay, ready? Yes. So in the previous class we learned about wild animals, right? Yes. So what is wild animal? Yes, somebody told what is wild animal? Yes, very good. Is what? The animals that lives in jungle is called wild animals. Then second one, what is domestic animal? What is domestic animal? Yes, the animals are, yes, very good word. The animals are live with us is called a domestic animal, or the animals that are live in our home is called a domestic animal. Then what is farm animals? What is farm animals? Yes, very good word. Yes, the animals that are very useful to us for their milk, meat, wool and egg, isn't it? Yes, right. Then last one, what is pet animal? What is pet animal? What is pet animal? Yes, the animals that stay in our home as our friend is called a pet animal. Okay, understood? Then today's class we are going to learn about the food animal eat. Okay, food animal eat in block 2, amazing animals. Okay, food animal eat. Okay, this is the keyword of this topic, flesh. Okay, flesh. What? Flesh. Study the spelling. Okay, flesh. F-L-E-S-H. Okay, what do you mean by flesh? What do you mean by flesh? Flesh means, yes, meat. Okay, or in other words, it is the soft part of the body. Okay, flesh meaning it is a soft part of the body of a person or animal. Right? Flesh meaning, what is flesh? The soft part of the body of a person or animal is called a what? Flesh. Understood? So this is the keyword of this topic. Copy this keyword. Okay, copy this keyword, flesh. Then so we can start our topic. Yes, see, we need food to grow, isn't it? We have to eat something to grow, right? Yes, so animals also need to eat, right? Yes, animals also have to grow, so they have to eat something to grow. Do animals eat things same like us? No, right? Yes, animals eat different kinds of food, right? Yes, animals eat what? Some animals may eat grass, some animals may eat grains, some animals may eat bread, some animals eat different parts of plants like fruits, then leaves, then stem, okay, then vegetables. Okay, then some animals may eat what? Flesh. What? But flesh of other animals, or in other words, or meat of other animals. Okay, flesh of other animals. Okay, so understood? So animals eat different kinds of food. In today's class we are going to group the animals according to what they eat. Okay, so in today's class we can learn about the food habits of animals, and also we can group the animals according to the food they eat. snake, vulture. So here we can see different types of animals. Wild animals are here. Which are the wild animals here? Yes, elephant, giraffe, tiger, snake, vulture. Okay. What is vulture? Did you saw vulture? The long necked one bird, one big bird. Okay, eating flesh of other animals. Okay, vulture. Then see, wild animals are here. Then domestic animals also here. See, which are the domestic animals? It's dog, cat, duck, hen. Then frog. Frog also a wild animal, isn't it? So, then what about horse? What about horse? This is domestic animals. Okay. Then see, these are the animals. So, from this, okay, see, just look each animal. Just look each animal and predict what is the food habit of dog, what is the food habit of cat, what is the food habit of duck. Okay, we can discuss about the food habits of animals, isn't it? See, first we can take dog. See, normally we have pet dogs, isn't it? Normally we have pet dogs. Okay, what do dog eat? Yes, we can see the dog eat grains, isn't it? Rice, cooked rice, grains. Grains include what? Rice, wheat. Okay, then we can see also that, see, the dog eat biscuit. See, what is biscuit? The biscuit comes from what? Yes, wheat flour, isn't it? Wheat flour. Then it is made up of milk. Okay, so the wheat comes from plant. So dog eats what? Yes, biscuits, grains, then bread. Okay, then we can also see dog eat the meat, isn't it? Meat, the flesh of other animals, meat, isn't it? Yes. Then second one, cat. Cat also same like dog. What do cat eat? Yes, the cat eat milk, cooked rice, then biscuits, isn't it? Then the cat also will eat what? Meat of other animals, isn't it? Fish. Cat eat fish, isn't it? So the meat of other animals. Understood? Then what about hen? What about hen? Yes, hen eats what? Yes, grains. We can see the hen eats grains. Grains means understood. Rice, wheat. Okay. Yes, grains. Then hen eat grains, and we can see hen eat what? It's small insects in the mud. We can see small insects. Insects means understood. Small creatures in the mud. Okay. So we can see hen eats what? Grains and small insects. Okay. So then cow. What about cow? Wow. What do cow eat? Yes, cow eat what? Yes, the cow eat only what? Grass, isn't it? Then what? Grass, then with leaves. Okay, then does the cow eat the flesh of other animals or the meat of other animals? No, isn't it? So the cow eat only plants or plant parts. Okay, the parts of plants like fruits. Okay, fruits. Then grass, leaves. Okay, so cow eat only plants. Then what about elephant? Elephant? Yes, like cow, elephant also eat what? Yes, plants like sugar cane. Do you see sugar cane? Yes, the elephant eat sugar cane, bananas, then leaves of trees. Okay, so the elephant also eat only plants. Okay, then horse. What about horse? Yes, like cow and elephant, horse also eat what? Yes, only plants like grass, leaves, etc. Okay, and the grains. Then what about giraffe? Have you seen giraffe? Yes. What is the speciality of giraffe? Yes, giraffe has what? Long neck. Okay, long neck, and giraffe can catch the leaves of tall trees, isn't it? So giraffe also eat what? Yes, only plants, leaves of the tree. Okay. Then what about tiger? Have you seen tiger? Okay, while we are turning to animal planet, we can see many animals, isn't it? Tiger, lion, cheetah, wild dog, isn't it? See, tiger is a wild animal. What is the food habit of tiger? Yes, tiger eats only what? Yes, other animals. Have you seen the tiger is chasing other animals? Other animals we can see in the animal planet. We can see the tiger chase other animals like deer. Isn't it? Deer, then zebra, we can see. Okay, then, so what is the food habit of tiger? Yes, tiger eats the flesh of other animals. What is flesh? It's the soft part of the body of a person or animal. Okay, so tiger eats the meat of other animals. Then what about a frog? What is the food habit of frog? Does the frog eat only plants? No. Why? What is the food of frog? Have you seen? Yes, small insects in the water or in the mud. Okay. Then the frog eats what? Yes, the flesh of other animals. Okay, the frog eats the flesh of other animals. So, then what about a snake? Have you snake? Yes, what is the food habit of snake? Yes, the snake eat what? Yes, the flesh of other animals, isn't it? Have you seen? The snake is catching their prey. Yes, the snake also eat the meat of other animals. Okay, then last one, vulture. Have you seen vulture? Vulture is the long-necked bird, big bird. Yes. So, what is the food habit of vulture? What is the food habit of vulture? Does the vulture eat plants? No. Okay. The vulture eat what? Other animals or the flesh of other animals. Okay. Understood? Yes. The vulture eat the flesh of other animals, or in other ways, vulture eat the flesh of dead animals. Now we can group the animals according to their food habits into a Venn diagram. Okay. That is already it is there in the workbook. See page number 16. Okay, page number 16, Venn diagram. So, what are the food habits of animals? Yes, we can write in 3 headings, isn't it? See, what is this? Cow, elephant, horse, giraffe. What is the food habit of these animals? See, we can circle. What is the food habits? Yes. Which type of food they eat? Yes, they eat only what? Yes, plants. Okay, understood? Yes, see, these animals eat only plants. Okay, so these animals we can call as plant eating animals. Then, so we can write here. Yes. So, listen here. Here we can write plant eating animals. This is plant eating animals. Then this is flesh eating animals. This is plant eating animals. Then, so we can group the plant eating animals. So, which are the animal only eat plants? The animals that they eat only plants. Which are the animals? Here. We already circled here. Which are the animals? Yes, cow. We can write cow. Yes, cow. Then, yes, what? Elephant. Yes, elephant. Then, next one. Yes, be circled. Yes, horse. Then, next one. Giraffe. Yes. See, many animals are here. See, plant eating animals. See, deer eat only plants. Then zebra eat only plants. Then goat, isn't it? As many animals are here. So, we wrote only 4. Then, next one, we can group the animals eating what? Flesh eating animals. Flesh means understood is meat of other animals. So, we can group the animals are flesh-eating animals. So which are the flesh-eating animals here? Flesh-eating animals. We can underline that animals. Underline. Okay. Then which are the animals? Say. Yes. Which one? Yes. Tiger. Yes. Very good. Yes. What? Tiger is a flesh-eating animals. Okay. Flesh we can underline. Then next one. Then we can write here. Tiger. Then next one. Yes. Frog. What do frog eat? Yes. Small insects. Small insects in the mud and also in the water. Okay. Small worms. Okay. Then frog. We can write frog. We can underline. Then next one. Yes. What is? Yes. Very good. Yes. Snake. Okay. What do snake eat? The flesh of other animals. Okay. Flesh of other animals. So snake. Then last one. What? Last one. Yes. Vulture. Vulture. What is the food habit of vulture? What do vulture eat? Yes, the flesh of other animals or the flesh of dead animals. Okay, vulture. Yes. Then understood. See, remain one circle is here. Understood? Remain one circle is here. What will come here? Which type of animals will come here? Yes. What? Yes, very good. The animals that they eat both plant and also flesh of other animals. Understood? The animals that they eat plant and also flesh of other animals. Then now you can say which are the animals eat both plants and animals? Yes. Okay, who will say first? Who will say first? Yes, very good. What? Yes, dog. We can make it as a box. Okay, then. Yes, dog. What do dog eat? Yes, grains, bread, milk. Then what? Yes, meat of other animals. So, dog eat both flesh and animals. So, we can write here in this circle. So, we can write here both plant and meat of other animals. The next one, what? Yes, cat. Yes, very good. Cat. We can write here cat. Cat eats both plant and also flesh of other animals. How cat eats which plant? Cat eat which plant? Yes, I told what? Grains means rice. Rice comes from rice plant. Then wheat. Wheat comes from wheat plant, or the parts of plant like fruits, vegetables, grass. Understood? Sometimes we can see cat eat fruits, isn't it? Then so cat. Then and cat also eat flesh of other animals. Okay, fish. Then meat. Okay. Then what about then next one? Yes, duck. Yes. Duck eats what? Yes, both plant and also what? Flesh of other animals. How? Which plant duck eat? Which plant? Yes, duck eat grains, bread, then some fruits. Okay. Then and also duck eat flesh of other animals like small insects and fish, small fish. Okay. So flesh of other animals. Then last one, what? Hen. You can write here, hen. So, what do hen eat? Yes, grains, okay, rice, wheat, then small insects in the mud. So, hen eats plants and also what? Flesh of other animals. Insects means meat, okay, flesh of other animals. Then, understood? Yes. So, copy this Venn diagram to your notebook. Okay. Where do wild animals get their food? Where do wild animals get their food? Yes. Where they are living wild animals? Yes. In the forest. So the wild animals get their food from the forest. So in wild animals, they hunt for other animals, isn't it? And or they kill other animals for their meat. isn't it? Example, lion, tiger. Okay, these animals will hunt other animals or kill other animals for their meat. Understood? Then some animals in wild animals like zebra, giraffe and deer. Okay, what do they eat? What do these animals eat? Yes, they eat only plants. Okay, they eat only plants, so they eat whatever food getting from the forest, like plant. Plant means leaves, grass, fruits, vegetables. Okay, understood? Then what do flesh eating animals eat? Yes, the flesh eating animals eat the flesh of other animals like vulture, snake, okay, tiger. Understood? Then see, do all flesh eating animals hunt for other animals? Do all flesh eating animals hunt for other animals? No. Why? Like animals like vulture, then wild dog and jackal eat the flesh of dead animals. Okay, vulture, wild dog and jackal eat the flesh of dead animals and they do not go for hunt. Okay, they do not go for hunt. Understood? Imagine that there is no plants in the jungle. See, there is no plants in the jungle. All plants were dried up. Then what would happen to flesh eating animals? What would happen to flesh eating animals? See, suppose imagine that, okay, if there is no plants in the jungle, so what would happen to the flesh eating animals? Notice that flesh eating animals, we can say that they would not have any problem if there is no any plants in the jungle. Just think, children. Yes, no. Why? We cannot say that if there is no plants in the jungle, the flesh eating animals have no problems. Why? See, the flesh eating animals are always depend upon which animals? Yes, the animal that eat plants, isn't it? See, example, tiger depend upon deer or zebra. So what will happen if there is no plants? See, if there is no plants, the plant eating animals would die, isn't it? So in turn, the flesh eating animals also would die, isn't it? So if there is no plants, the plant eating animals will not get plants to eat, so they would die. So in turn what? The animals that eating flesh eating animals also will die. So understood? I hope you understood. Then see, read your content book very well. Okay, food, animals, each. Okay, read this content book very well and do this workbook page number 16. See, 16. What do animals eat? Then match it. Food habits of animals. Then this. Okay. Then, okay, we are moving on to next topic. That's all. We are moving on to next topic, the young ones of animal. Okay, young ones of animal. The keywords of this topic is young ones and egg laying. What do you mean by egg ones? What do you mean by young ones? Yes, young one means babies. Okay, babies. The young one means babies. Then what do you mean by egg laying? Egg laying means egg lay. Okay, lay eggs. Understood? Yes. So the young ones of animal. Today we are going to discuss about the young ones of whose animals. Okay, so babies of animals. Okay, before that I will show you some pictures of animals with their babies. Okay, with their babies. Okay, have a look and we can come. Okay, all of you saw the animals, different types of animals with their small babies. Okay, so now say, children, what is a baby dog called? What is baby dog called? Yes, very good. Yes, baby dog is called a what? Puppy. Yes, the puppy is the young one of a dog, isn't it? Right. Yes. Then what is a baby of cat called? What is the baby of cat called? Yes, The baby of cat is called as what? Kitten. Kitten is the young one of a cat. Understood? Then what is the baby of hen called? Hen. Is the baby of hen called as what? Chick. What? Chick. So understood? It is the chick is the young one of a hen. A chick hatches from an egg. Okay, a chick hatches. What? Hatches, breaking out of an egg. So a chick hatches from an egg, isn't it? Yes. So where does he come from? Yes. Does the puppy come out of an egg? Right? No. The puppy born as a small baby from mother dog, isn't it? It does not, the puppy does not come out of an egg, right? Yes, isn't it? Yes. So today we are going to discuss about the young ones of animal. Okay. So today we are going to group the animals according to how they produce their young ones. Okay. So we can write some animals name. Okay. We wrote some animals name. Okay. So we are going to group the animals how they produce their young ones. Okay. So animals are producing their babies in two ways. Okay. In two ways. Understood? By egg laying. Okay. The animals are producing their babies by egg laying, and some animals produce their young ones by give birth to their young ones. Understood? So animals produce their babies in two ways, by laying eggs, and animals producing their young ones or babies by giving birth to young ones. Okay. So you can write heading egg laying. Okay. Egg laying, then give birth. Okay. Give birth. Give birth. So, children, now you can group. Okay, now you can group the animals which producing their young ones by egg laying and producing their young ones by give birth. Yes. Then, so help me to group. Okay, so first one, which are the egg laying animals here? We can circle them. Okay, we can circle them. Yes. Yes. The animals producing their young ones by laying eggs. Understood? Yes. So which are the egg laying animals to produce their young ones? Yes. Who told? Yes. Hen. Which one? Yes. Yes. Hen. We can circle. Yes. Hen. Then another one. Another one. Egg laying animals to produce their young ones. Yes. Yes. Very good. Yes. Duck. Yes. So we can circle. Then next one. Next one. Is there any animals producing young ones by laying eggs? See? Then wait. Then we can take another. Okay. The animals that they are producing young ones by giving birth. Okay. Giving birth to young ones. We already learned which cat and dog. Okay, dog baby is called puppy. It is born as a small baby from mother dog, isn't it? So which one? Where is dog? Yes, dog. What? Where we can write dog? Yes, the dog producing their young ones by giving birth. Okay, so we can write here dog. Then next one, which are the animals giving birth to their babies? Yes, many animals are here. Yes, very good. Which one? Yes, cow. Yes, cow. Then, right. Yes. Then, which one? Yes, very good. Elephant. Yes, elephant. Elephant. Then, which one? Tiger. Tiger. Then, what about lion? Yes, lion. Lion also producing their young babies by giving birth. Then, what about cat? Yes, cat, tiger, S, cat. Then see, then what about vulture? See, which type of animal is the vulture? Which type of animal? Vulture is a bird, isn't it? Vulture is a bird. See, the vulture also what? Lay eggs. So understood. The vulture lay eggs. Then see, we can write here which are the animals lay eggs: hen, duck, then vulture, then remaining three animals are here: snake, crocodile, frog. What about snake? How does the snake producing young ones? By giving birth or laying eggs. See, the snake is producing their young ones by laying eggs. You might see, isn't it? The egg of snake. See, the snake producing their young ones by laying eggs. So we can write snake here. Then next one, what about frog? Frog. How does the frog producing their young ones? By laying eggs or give birth to young ones? See, the frog producing their young ones by laying eggs. Understood? By laying eggs. Then only one remaining animal, what? Crocodile. Do you see crocodile? So how the crocodile producing their young ones or babies? By laying eggs or give birth? How? See, crocodile producing their young ones by what? Laying eggs. Okay, so don't forget frog, snake and crocodile producing their young ones by how? Laying eggs. Okay, laying eggs. Laying eggs. So, understood. See, what is the baby of lion called? What is the baby of lion called? Do you see the baby of lion? Yes, the baby of lion called cub. What is the baby of elephant called? The baby of elephant called calf. Okay, see, some animals producing their young ones by laying eggs. Then some animals producing their young ones by giving birth. So, see all birds producing their babies by laying eggs. Yes, isn't it? All the birds producing their young ones by laying eggs. Isn't it? Yes, all the birds. Then, see, some animals like snake, frog, crocodile producing their young ones by laying eggs. So, see these animals, birds and those animals. Where do they keep their eggs? Where do they keep their eggs? Have you seen? Yes, very good. It's where they keep, in case of birds, they keep their eggs in their nest. Or in those animals like snake, frog, crocodile, these animals keep their egg in ground to keep safe, isn't it? To keep safe. Understood? After lay eggs, understood? After lay eggs, in the case of animals that laying eggs, after they lay eggs, the mother or father animal sits on the egg. For what? For what? To keep it warm, to keep the egg warm. So after the egg gets enough warm, what happened? What will happen? The egg hatch. The egg hatch and the baby come out. Isn't it? The egg hatch and the baby come out. Then after the mother or father animal teach them how to fly, how to search food, and also they will take care of them from other animals, isn't it? And they will keep them warm and safe, isn't it? Isn't it, children? Yes. So, children, do all animals lay eggs to produce their young ones? Or do all animals giving birth to their young ones to produce their babies? See, the animals like vulture, then lizard, cockroach lay eggs to produce their young ones. Understood? Understood? So, do all the animals, understood children? See, do all the animals take care of their babies? Take care of their babies? Yes, most of the animals take care of their babies from other animals. Okay, they keep them warm and safe. Understood? See, why do they produce young ones? Why do the animals produce their young ones or babies? Why? See, the animals produce their young ones to make animals more, okay, to animals more like them. Understood? The animals produce their young ones to make more animals like them. Right? Understood? So, the young ones of animals or the babies of animals. Okay? Then, so do your workbook homework, page number 17. Okay, page number 70, young ones of animals. So, you have to do blocks that S3 and S4, page number 16 and 17. And from the content book, this PQ 5, 6, 7, 8, 4 PQs. Okay, understood? Right? Yes. So, you have to read this content book very well. Okay, how to read this content book very well. Then, I hope all of you understood this topic. Have a nice day. Thank you.